If you own a new Toyota Sienna, you know the center console is basically a black hole. This simple silicone tray promises to fix that chaos instantly, and honestly, it delivers on that promise. We're looking at the CDEFG console bottom organizer, specifically designed for the 2021 through 2026 Sienna models that do not have the built-in refrigerator. That compatibility check is vital, so make sure you confirm your configuration before buying. The biggest pain point with the Sienna's floating console is that everything just piles up at the bottom, making it impossible to find anything quickly. This organizer solves that by creating a usable upper layer. What really impressed me is the material choice. CDEFG went with high-quality silicone instead of cheap, hard plastic. Why does that matter? 2 reasons. First, it fits the exact contours of the console perfectly, ensuring a tight, custom fit. Second, and this is huge for road trips, silicone means zero rattling. Your coins, your keys, your sunglasses, they stay put, and they don't make that annoying plastic-on-plastic noise when you hit a bump. The manufacturer emphasizes the premium feel, and it certainly feels sturdy and durable, designed to handle daily abuse. Installation is literally non-destructive. You just drop it in. It's designed to sit snugly, so there's no need for screws or adhesives. If you decide you need the full depth back for some reason, you just lift it out directly. It's that simple. For anyone struggling to keep their Sienna tidy, this is less of an accessory and more of a necessary upgrade. It transforms that deep, unusable pit into a functional, organized space. It's a small, sturdy investment that provides a massive quality-of-life improvement for daily driving. This is the essential organization tool every Sienna owner needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.